Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to apply promo code in Daraz. So first, open your web browser. It can be Edge or Google Chrome, or you can use your phone if you want. So once you're here at daraz.pk on their official website, just try to check out one item or just add to cart one item. So let's try to add to cart one. Let's try this bike seat. So click add to cart or buy now. For now, let's try to add to cart. So it will say that you have successfully added to cart. Now here you will see the cart icon next to the search bar. So just click on it. It will show your active cart right now, and then check the item you want. Now you will see the subtotal and the shipping fee and the total. So here you will see, obviously and evidently, you can see the voucher code field here. So basically, this is just the promo code field. You can try to enter the promo code you have for Daraz. So just enter it here and click apply. You will know that it will work if the total is reduced. So just click apply and then proceed to checkout, and then you can buy your item.